So strategy number one, you need to think about how you want to scale up your business and also how many hours you can actually spend on marketing itself. So if you are just running small business and then like it's about just local business, think about like photo studio, restaurant, or some agency style. So you're just gonna focus on like probably 10 clients or 100 customers a day, like more B2C style, but it's not like SaaS. It's not about really a big company. So in this case, your main language is, let's say, English, and then you want to incorporate Korean language at the same time. Then if you just photographer and with some small studio, then you can actually start with multilingual copywriting in the caption, like such as on Instagram or Facebook or any other platforms. And then you don't have to separate like English here and Korean here if it's small business, because it's gonna take you really tons of time to integrate everything. So you don't want to spend really hours on like separate accounts, right? Just make one account to have just multiple languages in your caption, copywriting, whatever your bio, yeah, something like that. Okay. And then if you are from like really big company, like some of the brands that you love, for example, Red Bull, Uniqlo, what else? Like some of SaaS, like Asana, Slack, this is really big company, right? In this case, actually, it's really not the ideal case to incorporate two languages in one account, because we need to capture our audience really in big broad way, right? So you're gonna separate your account by languages, such as like Korean here, English here, and then Japanese here, or something like that. And then you're gonna localize every part of account one by one. That's the strategy.